Guys, how's it going? And today I'm going to be doing another way to get rid of some Halloween candy that you may have left over, especially these things, Tootsie Rolls. I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, Tootsie Rolls. Most people don't like these. In my personal stuff, I don't really like them either, but I'm going to melt them today and see what happens. So if you guys are wondering how I made this video, I'm going to show you. Just check it out. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm using this little $5 tripod for my phone. Nothing special or fancy, but yeah, this is all I'm using for my video, so enjoy. Okay, so first of all, I have millions of these Tootsie Roll things. Like, yeah, these things. Got more of these things. I got a bunch of them, okay? This may be a series, guys. It may be a melting series. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to start with melting one of these Tootsie Rolls, this long one, which that's what it looks like. And it doesn't. I don't like them as much. I don't like them at all, really. But we're gonna put them in for 30 seconds, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's get to the laboratory. Okay guys, so yeah, I have this tripod set up right here to film my every move. So I'm going to put one of these in here. There you go. Kind of looks pretty dopey, but you know, what are you going to do? Okay, so I got it in here, so let's do it, you know? Why not? Okay guys, so I got the mug in my hand, and now I'm going to set it down and open up the microwave. And let's put the mug in. And hopefully nothing goes wrong. So let's close this thing up. And put it in for 30 seconds.
Let's see. This is boring. I'm just going to skip, so get prepared to be skipped.
There we go. It's good. It says good. So that should be a sign. Okay, so I guess I don't want to die, so I'll turn this with this little thing. Yeah. It smells like death, but oh god, the cup's hot. Jeez, hands hot. Okay, you can see a little glimpse of what's in there. I don't know what's in here. Okay, so there we go. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a little bit pretty bad. So you know, yeah. Here, let me put a spoon in this little mess of death. Okay, so switching hands, and let's stick a spoon in it. Oh, there you go. There's some chocolate fondue. It actually doesn't. It's actually like thick, chunky liquid. So not that bad. Now it's stuck. So I'll set that down, and now let's put them all in. Fee-fi-fo fum. I put Tootsie Rolls in this thing, and I can't open them at all. Hey ho. Here we go. Tootsie Rolls, Tootsie Rolls. Learn your Tootsie Rolls. Da na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. No. Okay, now I got this big one. Oh god, what is that? This is promising. You can break it. Or not. Okay, so I call garbage. Dropped a piece of garbage. Okay, so that looks pretty promising. So let's get on to the melting.
Open this thing up. Let's put this on in for 1 minute since it's like twice as much. Let's set it for that and then close it up. 1 minute on the clock. Let's do this. Gonna miss skip. Any other things that happen to? Probably not. Take a break. Tripods. This thing explodes. That'll be awesome for the video. Probably won't. Pretty cool though. Starting to smell of chocolate. I don't think it is real chocolate though. It might as well be plastic for all I know. Probably, who knows what Tootsie Rolls really are. You know what Tootsie Rolls are? Leave it in the comments because I really don't know. So yeah. We got 3 seconds, 2, 1, done.
Done. Okay, the handle's right here, so it means it wants me to grab it. It's hot. It smells bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's moving. It's moving. That's moving. Oh man. Let's get a time-lapse shot of this. Give myself some props. That was a pretty good time-lapse. Okay. Let's take a spoon to this thing and dig some out. Oh, you can see my face. Hey. Hey, everybody. I should get a good thumbnail for this. Decide to get a good thumbnail, okay? What the heck? This isn't a good thumbnail at all. Ah, my hand's burning. It's burning. There we go. Oh god.
There we go. Oh god.
Oh god. Oh my god, my hand is made contact with the ground. And it also touched the thing. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. This is bad, this is bad. This is bad, this is bad. His name is it's like thick. Oh, guys, if I put this on like a paper towel, I can make a giant Tootsie Roll. Giant Tootsie Roll, new video idea. Oh my god, that looks like crap. Looks like I just wiped my butt. Oh my god. Ah. Oh Jesus. Oh, that's a fail. That's ah, my hand.
That's just water. Let's set up a good kitchen shot. Okay, yeah. Let's get rid of this. There you go, guys. That's how we make chocolate milk. Right on. Yeah. Put this in this stuff. Okay, guys, so this is boiling hot water. I'm just gonna let that sit there and take it. Oh, that's a pretty proper spoon. Looks pretty small though, but it's actually not. Oh, God, I almost sprayed boiling hot water on myself. Almost did it again. Okay, this is not good at all. Oh my god, it's fine. This one. Crap, guys. This is the worst thing that ever could have ever happened. Oh, you can't even see the thing. There we go. Much better. There you go. Oh, God, no. That is like melted. Oh, goodness. I guess I'll have to eat this. I guess I'll see you guys in that.
Got you. You really think I was gonna eat that? My idiot. Okay, so I guess what I can do is I'm gonna put this in a microwave to melt it because it's literally stuck in the cup. So let's get on to it. Okay, I gotta put it back. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, I'm gonna open this thing back up and put it back in. Oh god, there's like chocolate milk in there. like diarrhea. Okay. I put that in there. And I'm gonna put that in for like 30 seconds, okay? And the plan for this is it's gonna melt, and then once it melts, then you know, and I should be able to just dump it out, because this is a problem. It's stuck in the mug. So yeah, either I'm dead because I messed up a mug, or I will save the day. So let's see. It's done. So let's see this. Oh my god. Oh god. I gotta turn it now. Please don't tell me it's dead. Oh my god. Please don't, please don't, please don't. Please, please no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. It's all melty, bubbly, garbagey. Okay. I'm gonna get this spoon in there. Oh my god, this spoon is hot. Okay. It's very gooey, but I think I can get it out. Okay, okay. Ah. Don't melt Tootsie Rolls, kids. Don't melt Tootsie Rolls. Here, guys, new game plan. Because this isn't going well at all. New game plan. Put some water in there with it. Now put it in. It's the game plan at the moment. This is not good at all. Okay, I'm gonna put this in. Okay. Put it in.